Oh boy, what do we have here? Something real nice and shiny. That's right. It's a gun. Not just any gun. The dog only knows. Oh. It looks really old, but real nice. Alright, good night. You can see the Russian star there. This is an M90 31 Soviet era mosin negant. Okay, it's not the sniper version, but it does come with the bayonet, and it comes with a strap. This isn't the original strap. Unfortunately, that's not the original bayonet. This came off another mosin. What's weird is that it came off the mosin of the pretty much the same decade. It's really shiny. Most of the lacquer has come off over the years, but as you can see, grips. Has a 5-round magazine in it. Goes through the top of the bolt. It works quite well. I'll show you inside here. Have it all oiled up and nice and pretty. It is literally covered, absolutely covered in oil. Okay. The action is very, very smooth. As you can see, only 2 fingers. Very crisp. Okay. Here's the buttstock. Yes, I have a sissy pad on it. My shoulder's still sore from it. We fired 40 rounds through it. Just figured I'd show you guys this beautiful rifle from World War II. From what I read up, there's a good chance it did fight. It was used in World War II. You can see some cosmoline. That's actually a protectant. It's not rust. Because stuff will go everywhere. Some cosmoline stuff on the thing there. It got so hot that it's pretty much almost unusable. Sights, move this up. So that's pretty much it.